Hey everyone, hope everything's good. Welcome to Smarty Plans Shop YouTube channel. I'm Bea here again to show you another one of my digital planning creations. And the one that I have for show today is called the Mindful 3-Year Journal. So it is a journal. It's a little different than what I usually do. So this journal, it's 3 years worth and it is undated, so you can start any year. It also has a daily layout, so it's not weekly, it's daily. Comes in a portrait or like vertical format. It also has a 7-subject notebook, which are right here. And it has in total 386 pages, all of which are completely hyperlinked. You can access them with one click. So it makes it super easy and super fast to navigate throughout the planner, well, throughout the journal in this case. So I'm going to show you how it works. Here at the top and also on the side, we have what I guess we could call the toolbars or the toolbar, and everything is clickable. So I can go to any of the notebook pages, or the notebook sections. I can go to the section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc., etc. The whole journal is made with graph paper. So even for the notebook, it's all graph paper. So if I click here, I'm going to close the notebook. So this is the front page. I made it like this on purpose so you can decorate it however you want, put any theme, make any wallpaper you like to fit here and have it different every now and then. So if you want to change it up a little. And then finally, here you can click on any of the months and it's going to take you to that corresponding monthly page. So let me show you the monthly pages and let's stay on October since it's the current month. As I mentioned, it is divided in 3 years. So here you have year 1, year 2, and year 3. You can write down the day that it is for example, year 1, 2020. October started on Thursday, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. And then for every month, you have little prompts here to fill out. So you can keep track of what you were currently doing that month of that year. Then you can compare what happened from one year to the other. To access the daily pages for any month, they're going to be up here at the top. And for example, October, let's say 22nd. Here you can see that it's also divided in 3 years. So 1, 2, and 3. And in each one of them, you have the same prompts. So it's the current mood. And then today was, you can write a little bit about your day and what you're feeling grateful for. And it's the same thing for every year, for the 3 years that you can journal with. And of course, you can keep using this journal if you liked it year after year. It doesn't have to stop at 3 years. So that's really it for this journal. You have the monthly pages, and then inside each one of them, you get the corresponding daily pages. And then one thing that I did forget to mention is that almost every daily page here at the bottom, you have a little quote that it's supposed to be motivational or inspirational. So that's really it for this journal. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked the planner and the video. And if you did, I really would appreciate it if you left a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.